Here we go. I have an inequality as evidenced by this symbol right here. U plus 9.5 is greater than or equal to 1/2. U is the number I don't know. So U plus this other number, 9/2, is greater than or equal to 1/2. The variable is what we need to get alone by itself. And to do that, we use inverse operations. So what is the opposite of plus? Well, it's subtraction. So we are going to subtract 9/2 from both sides. It's kind of nice to have a common denominator, so it makes my problem a little bit easier. I'm going to write my bigger number on top. I have my negative 9/2 plus that 1/2. It's a positive 1/2. And it's going to give me, my answer is going to be U is greater than or equal to negative 8/2. 9 minus 1 is 8. And actually that simplifies 8, negative 8 divided by 2 to negative 4. Okay, now we have to graph this. So I'm going to draw a number line. Here is my negative 4. Over here I have negative 3. Over here I have negative 5. And my number line goes forever in both directions. Change our color one last time. I want the numbers bigger than 4. So I need to have my circle here, and it needs to be filled because it includes that 0.4, and then everything else that is bigger. Go ahead and watch this video as many times as it takes to get that process of solving an inequality with those fractions.